So overnight oats are a really flexible way to make breakfast while you sleep. It takes 6 ingredients, about 5 minutes, and 4 easy steps. I'm going to share with you 3 different variations. I have a raspberry overnight oat. You can use any berries that you have. This one is a Kiwi Matcha. I really like the green, and the Matcha is high in antioxidants. And then this one is a banana almond butter. Let's get started. If you're new here, welcome to Culinary Cam's YouTube channel. My name is Camilla, and my mission is to inspire you to get into the kitchen and make a delicious mess. I'm really excited to share with you how I make overnight oats. This is super simple, 6 ingredients, 5 minutes, 4 steps. So the ingredients I've pre-measured. We have 1 cup of oats and a tablespoon of chia seeds, a cup of milk, and you can use whatever milk you prefer. This one is actually oat milk. Half a cup of yogurt. I prefer whole milk just for the texture. And 1 tablespoon of a sweetener. You can use maple syrup, which is what I prefer. You can use honey. You can use brown sugar, white sugar, it doesn't matter. And then this is where you get to have some fun. It is half a cup of whatever fruit you want to mix in. Okay, the one I'm going to walk you through the 4 easy steps with is a berry version of the overnight oats. And again, you start with half a cup of fresh fruit. I just put that in the bottom of a mason jar. And you can use a spoon, a wooden spoon, a spatula, whatever you want to mash up the fruit. From time to time, I am going to talk about products that I use and love. This is actually a sauerkraut tamper, but I use it to mash fruit in for my overnight oats as well. It fits perfectly in my mason jar. And I just muddle that fruit up a little bit. And then I'm going to add half of the oats and the chia seeds. Enough. And I'm going to add in my yogurt and my sweetener. Again, I like maple syrup. And I'm going to add in the rest of the oats. And the last ingredient is your milk. You're just going to give that a stir. Just want to get everything nice and moistened. Mix that fruit all the way up to the top. You can see it's changing the colors. This is 2 servings of overnight oats, and if you don't have a spoon that's long enough to stir all the way to the bottom of the jar, you can just shake it. So put all those ingredients in, put the lid on tightly so you don't make a mess, and just shake it up. And then that goes into your fridge, and it'll be ready in the morning. Again, 6 ingredients, 5 minutes, 4 simple steps. If you're interested in getting any of the products that I use in this video, I will drop links in the description to the Muddler, to the glasses, and to the Matcha that I used. Okay, so the 4 easy steps to overnight oats. Step 1, mash the fruit. 2, you're going to mix in your yogurt and your sweetener. And if you're doing any extra add-ins, so I'd mentioned for the kiwi, I put in matcha powder, and I think you probably saw when I did the bananas, I added in almond butter. This is the step where I mix that in as well. So mash, mix, and this is where I add in the extra ingredient. 3, stir it all up with the milk and the oats, or give it a shake. 4, refrigerate. Okay, so there are 3 variations of my overnight oats. Again, this is Kiwi Matcha, this is berry, and this is banana almond butter. I'm just gonna pop these in the fridge and they will be ready for a quick, healthy breakfast tomorrow. Thanks for watching my video on how to make overnight oats. Again, 6 ingredients, 5 minutes, 4 easy steps. If you like this video, please click like and also ring that notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.